This is another great product by Zymogen, Hormone Protect. I guess we could say it protects your hormones, but it is great for people that have been suffering with conditions that cause problems, or I should say hormonal problems like polycystic ovarian syndrome or endometriosis or fibroids. This doesn't, it's not treating anything. Again, it's not curing anything, but what it does is it flushes hormone out of the body. This is an excellent product for that. Flushing this excess hormone out of the body that can lead to these conditions. And it can mitigate some of the symptoms of certain conditions as well. If people have hormonal problems, this can be a great product for long term, actually, to continuously flush this hormone out of the body. Even females that have imbalances in their periods. Now, there's many causes to these hormonal imbalances. These are just some supplements that hopefully can help get this excess hormone out of the body. Hormone Protect is a great one.